The longest lasting deserts are over 30 million years old, and an impressive 33% of our planet is covered by desert lands. With poor vegetation and little to no precipitation, these barren landscapes offer poor conditions for plant or animal life. With such little activity unfolding in these gigantic masses of sand, we are bound to stumble over some fascinating and unexplained mysteries. Number 1. Singing dunes. Singing dunes are caused by loose masses of sand moved around by wind against obstacles such as rocks or vegetation. Under the right conditions, climbing or sliding down a dune can trigger a sand avalanche that can be as loud as 100 decibel. They produce a sound described as roaring or booming that is also known as the Song of Dunes. The frequency of the sound changes depending on the size of the grains of sand contained inside the dune. The finer the sand, the quieter the song. This event happens thanks to vibrations in the colliding sand and a very loud feedback. Number 2. Fairy circles. This rare occurrence has only been found in 2 places on Earth, the Pilbara region in Western Australia and the Namib Desert. These circular patches are surrounded by rings of grass that eventually disappear due to grass invasion. Both deserts, despite being thousands of miles apart, form identical fairy circles, repeating in the same hexagonal shapes. There have been several theories surrounding the formation of fairy circles. Some have even gone as far as to consider it a supernatural event. However, this rare phenomenon remains a mystery even to this day. Number 3. Dust devils. These short-lived whirlwinds are usually harmless and form when a pocket of hot air rises through cooler air above it. The largest dust devils can be 10 meters wide and 1,000 meters tall. Historically, they have been attributed to spirits and genies, but they're a natural occurrence that even takes place on Mars, except on a much larger scale. In 2012, NASA has captured a 12 miles high dust devil in the northern hemisphere of Mars. Number 4. The Ghost Lights of Marfa. For over a century there have been sightings of strange glowing orbs above the horizon in the town of Marfa in Texas. The first sighting was back in 1883, and since then many more reports have followed. The pulsating balls of light appear along an uninhabited area known as Paisano Pass. This phenomenon attracts a large number of tourists who hope to see the glowing lights each year, but the event only happens fewer than 30 times a year after a sunset or a sunrise. The orbs have been reported to have different colours, ranging from red, blue, yellow or white, and sometimes they appear to split or merge together. Much like the fairy circles, they remain a mystery. Number 5. The Southern Tunisian Desert Lake. Also known as Lac de Gafsa, this mysterious lake appeared unexpectedly in the vicinity of Gafsa, a town in Tunisia. The lake appeared back in 2014, and it has since been a sensation among tourists who are eager to swim and dive in it. The people of Gafsa are unsure as to whether the lake is a miracle or a curse, but one thing is for sure: it is most definitely a mystery. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.